1965 was a pivotal time for American culture. Baby boomers were lining up to see the Beatles. The Vietnam War was escalating, and the ink had barely dried on the Civil Rights Amendment. A gallon of gas was 32 cents, and a new home cost just 21 grand. On October 5, 1965, Northern States Power unveiled Minneapolis' first all-electric office building. NSP's headquarters, which housed everything from corporate offices to appliance showrooms to a huge underground transformer. A building fit for the jet age. It showcased the latest in electric technology, even capturing heat generated by the building's fluorescent lights and using the extra heat to melt the plentiful Minnesota snow on the surrounding sidewalks. Advanced ideas for 1965. A time capsule was placed inside the cornerstone of the new building, with instructions to open it 50 years later to track the company's progress. In the fall of 2015, Xcel Energy employees opened the time capsule, viewing its contents for the first time in half a century. The copper vessel contained items detailing what life was like in 1965, including energy rates, downtown development, and NSP operations. Also, containers of coal representing the amount needed to generate a kilowatt-hour of electricity in 1915 and 1965, a nuclear fuel rod, an electric iron, and photographs of electric appliances and NSP facilities. There was even a letter from two young teenagers who wrote, "Adults say that all we do is buy surfer clothes and Beatles records, and teenagers probably won't be too different in 50 years. So what's different now? Back then, electricity was just becoming a mainstay in our homes. Mass-produced electrical appliances like clothes washers, toasters, ovens, and radios revolutionized how we lived. Much of NSP's marketing focused on promoting these modern marvels. Today, these conveniences, and many, many more, are standard rather than spectacular. Xcel Energy has become more than just a reliable energy provider. We now help customers enjoy their technology more efficiently and responsibly. 54% of the electricity we produce is carbon-free, generated from a combination of nuclear and renewable sources, like wind, the sun, and water. We're proud to be the #1 utility wind energy provider in the nation. We also provide safe, clean, domestically produced natural gas. Yet it's nice to know some things remain the same. Teenagers still talk about pop stars and fashion, albeit on social media. And Xcel Energy remains committed to our customers and communities we serve. NSP touted its new headquarters in 1965 as built for the best in customer service, a tradition that Xcel Energy continues today by providing real-time outage information, by supporting numerous community organizations, and by partnering with cities and states to meet environmental clean energy and fiscal goals. We can only imagine what we'll be talking about in 2065.